In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to erase or clear conversation history in Leo AI Brave browser. If you use Brave's built-in assistant to research or brainstorm, it can be helpful to tidy up old chats, especially on a shared computer. I'll walk you through the exact clicks to remove a conversation safely and cleanly. Start by opening your Brave browser so you're on any regular tab. At the top right of the window, look for the Leo icon. It appears as a small star-shaped sparkle next to the address bar. Click that icon to open the Leo panel. Inside the Leo panel, find the three vertical dots near the top. This is the More Options menu for Leo. Click those dots, then choose Conversation History. That view shows a list of your previous chats with titles and timestamps, making it easy to find the one you no longer need. Select the conversation you want to delete by clicking it once. This opens the thread so you can double-check it's the right one. If you want more space to review, expand the Leo window so the messages are easier to read. This doesn't change anything yet. It only gives you a clearer view before you remove it. When you're sure you've opened the correct thread, look for the three dots associated with that specific conversation. Click those dots to reveal the conversation actions. From the menu, choose Delete Conversation. Brave will ask you to confirm so you don't lose anything by accident. In the confirmation prompt, click Delete to finalize. The conversation is now removed from your Leo history and will no longer appear in the list. This deletion applies only to the selected thread, so your other chats stay intact. If you have additional threads to clear, repeat the same process. Open the Leo panel, go to Conversation History, open a thread, use its three-dot menu, choose Delete Conversation, and confirm. It's a quick routine once you've done it once. A couple of quick reminders before we finish. Deleting a conversation is permanent, so take a moment to verify the content before you confirm. Also, the Leo icon and menus are located in the top right area of Brave's interface, but minor layout differences can appear after browser updates. If something looks slightly different, the names of the options should still match. And that's it. You've learned how to erase or clear conversation history in Leo AI within Brave, keeping your workspace organized and your privacy in check.